Comparatives with the rewrite the sentence using the. First AB, the example they are given. The crowd became increasingly angry at the long delay. The longer the delay was, comma, the angrier the crowd became. Once again I will read. The longer the delay was, the angrier the crowd became. B. The more famous an artist is, the more valuable the picture. The more famous an artist is, comma, the more valuable the picture. Now comes to the first one. How will I sleep depends on how late I go to bed. Answer is, the later I go to bed, the better sleep. The later I go to bed, the better sleep. Second, I did not spend much time with my family because I worked so hard. The harder I work, the lesser time with my family. Third, the traffic moves very slowly as more cars come into the city. Answer, the more cars come into the city, then slower the traffic moves. Fourth one, how much you sweat. How much you sweat depends on how hot you feel. Answer, the hotter you feel, the more you sweat. The hotter you feel, comma, the more you sweat. The ideas becomes less attractive as I think about it more. Answer, the more I think about it, comma, the lesser attractive the ideas become. The more I think about it, comma, the lesser attractive the idea became. Sixth one, how much petrol a car uses depends on the size of the engine. Answer, the bigger the size of the engine, comma, the more petrol uses the car. Now comes, discuss the answer of the following questions in groups, then present them before other group. I will read. Vikrant was a son of a doctor couple standing in the 9th standard, and he, bounded by his parents, so he was always in depression, whereas Anuj was photojournalist. He does not have treasure and he chosen this profession On his own, Anuj advised Vikrant to come out that depression. Vikrant accepted him, which can able to change. Would like to become a Vikrant, as we can change our attitude when we give the space for others. The next one. After Vikrant follows Anuj's advice, you observe change in the attitude and the behavior. Trace the chain of the change. Answer. Vikrant's depression was continuous as he was pressured by parents. So Anuj tried to change the attitude of Vikrant by giving useful ideas. Full stop. Anuj advised about self-observations as if the active movement comes which had to be controlled, but it is not to be expressed. Then the next and the last step was to express emotions opposite to what he feel. Third one. What is the role played by Anuj in this lesson? What message does the author convey to the reader through this character? After Vikrant follows Arjun's third one. What is the role played by Anuj in this lesson? What message does the author convey to the reader through this character? Anuj plays a very important role in the life of Vikrant as he gives the advice as a guide, and his friend get positive in Vikrant's behavior. He followed his advice and became a successful. The message we got through Anuj, his character is that one need not to be highly qualified or educated to have common sense. Now comes the letter writing. Okay, that is the assume you are Vikrant. Write a letter to your friend discussing the ways in which you transform yourself. Okay. Keep in mind that you become a Vikrant and how you transform yourself into this. You have to write that in the letter form. I will read the letter format and whole things you write it, and I will send you the copy also if you want. From ABCD, you can write your name there on top where I told you ABCD. Okay, standard 9th standard, SVHP, Swami Vivekananda Higher Primary School, Kesarhatti. The next comes down. 2. My dear friend, you can write anybody's address if you want that of your, okay. Okay. To my dear friend, subject. I am fine here and hoping the same for you. Or you can start like this. I am fine here. I hope this greeting of mine may find you well. Full stop. Last week you dropped me a letter in which you asked me about my hobby or my interest of my future. Second paragraph. My hobby is reading books or listening music or whatever the interest you have, that you can write. Reading books of literature an interesting hobby to me, because when you link over new techniques during creating new stories or poems, your mind is purchased towards the creation work and new ideas are developed. Literature writing can also be a paying hobby. Now we'll finish my letter. See you soon. Give my regards to your friends. The comes in the last border down. Your lovely friend, and write your name A, B, C, D. Then last comes on the left hand side of your page, where you written from on the top, no, down the same level, to whom you are writing. Okay, your friend name XYZ, 9th standard. Okay, any school, anywhere you can write, or any place. Okay, with this we have finished this. The last one, do you have a dream? Now comes one more letter or the essay writing. Okay, simply I will read, it is not necessary that you write it. Do you have a dream or a desire to do something? If yes, say how you would like to realize the same in the, say that in the 10 or 15 sentences. Your essay is like this. I have a dream or a desire to become an engineer in my life, or a doctor in my life. Okay, whatever desire you have, you can write there. And I wanted to do agriculture, become the farmer, as facing a lot of problems in the farming or in their life. If there are poor, it's too heavy to plug a product of the farming. Ingredients, by no rainfall, the farmers are dying too. Of the high level of the ministers, men are not solving the problems. I pray to God to solve these problems soon. By this the farmers will be living. They are saying Farmers are the backbone of the society. In words they say so, but in action they don't do. They are not following the things. How many strikes and how many satyagrahas went on, but they didn't understand the needs of these farmers. This is how the cheap the men are. They are thinking about themselves only. So, to solve these problems and without using the products, how we can grow a plant to farming for this sake. Looking at the situation, now I feel to be a agriculturalist. This is my desire or a dream to help our surrounding farmers so that we can get the good crops with the new ideas. I will build a house or a guide the engineers to build a house. Otherwise, I will build a house for poor people for free. And this is the only saying the people they do it. Nobody builds the poor people the houses. So they are dreams and sayings. Okay, let's see. Is that really we do few things for our poor people in the world? Whichever the party is, whoever is elected, and he is only for his own. He is least bother of this neighbor. Thank you so much.